Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make all your YouTube videos unlisted at once. If you want to hide your videos from public view without deleting them, changing them to unlisted is a great option. This way, only people with the direct link can view them. While YouTube doesn't offer a one-click make all videos unlisted button, you can do it quickly using YouTube Studio's bulk editing tools. Let's get started. Step 1, open YouTube Studio and filter videos. Go to YouTube Studio. On the left panel, click Content. Click the filter icon on top, select Visibility, then choose Public to filter only public videos. Step 2, select and update all videos to unlisted. Click the Select All checkbox at the top of the video list. Click Select All matching videos to include every public video on your channel. Click the Edit button above the list, then choose Visibility. In the drop-down, select Unlisted, then click Update Videos to confirm. That's it. A simple and effective way to unlist all your videos at once. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.